Today is April 23rd. It is hot here today. It's 65 degrees. That's hot for the Pacific Northwest. Do you ever just stop and consider the most simple of things and find supreme enjoyment? Jesus said, consider the lilies. These are not all lilies, some of them are. Look at these tulips. They are maybe the reddest red that I have ever seen in my entire life. If you stare at them for 10 seconds and then look away, you get that halo effect. We don't do anything to this area. We don't water it. Someone planted these bulbs here a long time ago, before we ever moved to this place. And they just come back every year with a vengeance. Consider the lilies. These are tulips, but they're insane. They're so amazing.